Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So whenever I started out my journey on this whole internet thing, I thought I was going to make money fairly quickly. And fairly quickly for me is within a year or maybe even two. But after working on this, actually trying to learn the skills, in 6 months I made less than $2. As a matter of fact, I think I made like $1.37. That is all I made. And for anyone who thinks this stuff is easy, and that they think they could handle disappointment, imagine working 10 to 12 hours every single day, learning this stuff with the hopes that you're going to replace your job or however you're living, and then in 6 months you make less than $2. That's really demoralizing. But the great thing about that situation was that it taught me some really important lessons. The first lesson, and the most important I think, is patience. You kind of have to have patience on this, because if you expect things to happen quickly, then more than likely it's not going to happen. And if it does happen quickly, it's not the type of things that last. And then secondly, it taught me how to be more humble about the whole idea of becoming a successful entrepreneur or just any endeavor. You know, you actually learn to respect the people who've actually done this before you and are consistently successful with it. And then the other thing that I learned was I learned a lot of different skills. Because I spent so much time trying to learn and I was frustrated I wasn't making money, it just motivated me to learn even more. And then a lot of the skills that I didn't think were useful, I was able to use way later on, and it allowed me to work on the internet and actually start making money, which is exactly what I wanted. And so the whole idea of that is, it's not really the money, it's the type of lifestyle that I want. And obviously when you have the right skills and experience, the money will come. But in that whole time, you have to be willing to make less than $2 in 6 months, or maybe even longer. And so those are my thoughts on that. So if you are on this journey yourself, don't be frustrated. Just know that there are many other people like me who have gone through the same thing as you have. And so the whole important thing is the whole process, and just keep moving forward. And then later on, in 6 months, you're going to be making way more than $2. And you'll be happy that you didn't make that money getting up to that point. So if you had any thoughts on that, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com. And I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.